Hi, this is Jamie with Lasting Order Professional Organizing Services, and I have a couple of tips for you today regarding organizing your pantry. As many of you know, the pantry can be kind of the hub of the household. We utilize it on a daily basis, and if it is not easily accessible, it can absolutely drive us insane. Oftentimes, if you don't have an organized pantry, you will find yourself buying items that you already have in the pantry, only to find out later when it's gone expired. But if you keep your pantry organized, then you will find that you have not only more space, but you will use the items that you already have on hand. So, where do you start when you want to organize your pantry? Well, I like to start by pulling everything out of the pantry and using the other space in the kitchen, countertops and such, to sort those items into like categories. Now, with this particular client, she had other food items that were stored in some other cabinets, so we also pulled those out as well, so that we made sure that we had everything that was going to go back into the pantry together. After we sorted everything and put them into like categories, then I kind of gauged about how many items there were with each category, and that's how we kind of determined where to place them in the pantry. Some categories required a whole shelf, others didn't quite require a full shelf, and so we measured about how far apart to put those shelves and kept items separated according to what category they're in. So even though we didn't use baskets in this pantry, we utilized the split shelving to keep categories separated, or if they were similar, we at least kept them together. So no baskets, or well, we have one basket in this closet, but you don't always have to use baskets to have an organized pantry. You can still utilize the shelving and keep like items together. For instance, we have breakfast, pastas, and snack items. This is more of our sweet snacks, salty snacks, canned goods, condiments, and then baking. So if you like this tip, feel free to like our video, share the post, and if you would like help with your own pantry, feel free to give us a call, 812-858-2457, and our website is www.lastingorder.net. Thank you.